The first thing I do is brush my teeth. To remove all my eye makeup, I use this Vaseline petroleum jelly. This really helps in breaking down the mascara, even the ones that are waterproof. After that, I gently wipe off all the petroleum jelly I applied with tissue. To remove the rest of the makeup on my skin, I use this argan oil makeup remover cleansing wipes. I got this from Watson's for like around 100 pesos, from what I remember. After washing my face, I proceed to exfoliating my skin with my Ives apricot scrub. I only exfoliate twice a week, and on nights that I don't exfoliate, I use my Clean and Clear Deep Action Cleanser. For my second cleanser, I prefer to use something that's more gentle than the first one. After rinsing, I gently pat dry my face using a clean towel. Then I move on to toner. When toning my face, I don't really use cotton because it hurts my skin for some weird reason. So I just pat it on my skin and let it dry naturally. To moisturize my face, I use this aloe vera gel from thefaceshop. Personally, I prefer using this one because it's more hygienic than the ones on the tub. And last but not the least, I use my favorite skin therapy oil from Palmer's. This brightens and clears my skin, and it also helps in removing pimple scars. And one more thing I love about this product is that it's not too sticky or too oily, and that my skin absorbs it really well, and I just love it so much. So yeah, that's basically it, and just a little reminder, these products work perfectly for me and my skin type, and it may not work for everyone like it does for me.